Hello my friends, in this video we are going to talk about the basic structure of writing task 2. Actually it is a series which I am going to start for all of you. I will individually making separate videos for all the topics of task 2. So don't waste more time and let's start this video. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe because it gives me motivation to boost up myself and make new videos. As today's topic is about what are the basics of writing task 2. So first of all, let me tell you all that writing task 2 is nothing more than a passage. As we all know, a passage is a set of paragraphs. So there will be some paragraphs which will be written by us. At the first, there is an introduction which we have to write. In the introduction, we write like what is given to us and what we intend to write. In the body paragraph, we define all the things, all the perspectives. But the most important thing is that there are always 1, 2, 3, 4 like these kind of body paragraphs. On an average, there will be always 2 body paragraphs at least, because in both the body paragraph, we will be defining different perspectives. As if the question is about do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree. At that time we will be defining our agree point in the separate body paragraph and our disagree point in the separate body paragraph, and similar goes toward the advantage and disadvantage. So maximum count of body paragraphs is not defined. You can write any number of body paragraphs which you want. So at last, let's talk about result. What is the result? It is the sum of all the things which are written by us in the passage. In the result, we sum up all the arguments and give a clear-cut result that what is necessary. Like if the topic is about pollution, at the introduction we will write something that nowadays pollution is increasing blah blah, and in the body paragraphs we will be defining from where this pollution is increased, why this is increasing and how can this be cured, and in the last in result we will define that pollution is increasing, it is a serious matter and it is concerning all the people, so it should be cured by government or individual effort of all the people. So this kind of things are written in task 2. I hope you all are getting all the points which I am talking to you, and in the last of this video I am going to share a well written task 2 example in front of you. You can just now pause your video and watch out this example which is written, and if you haven't watched other videos of this series then please watch that videos, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe my channel, and at last if you want Ielts online classes from me then please do call me on 99147 89567 at any time on WhatsApp only.